YouTube channel. Welcome back to a brand new video by Mrs. Makhabeni. I know that's right. So this is a travel prep basically. Tomorrow we're going to Durban for it's a surprise, but I want to pack. It's basically a one-day trip, but we don't know ba mhlambi ngaba 2-day trip okanye izawuthini, but we are hoping we are praying and hoping and have faith that it's going to be one day, then sibuye. So basically we are flying there. Inkosi Vuma will drive back okanye ke fly back okanye sitele kwenye province, I don't know, but yeah. So we basically packed 2 outfits each, ne? In case we was dinner. So so these are pants, my husband. So this is my husband's first outfit. Then this is my first outfit. Then the second outfit then what about a second outfit is just gonna be this. Yeah, well, so yeah, we don't have a suitcase as we have a very big suitcase. So as a funny man, we don't want to carry a big suitcase because day one day Muslim. We could actually even carry suitcase A1, but I don't think ba safe on around because also faka ne laptop yakhe. I don't know, I guess 2 is better than 1 way 2. Yeah, well. So yeah, guys, let's just pack. Ndichilo basiyeThekwini emhlabeni kaShaka Zulu nkosi yami. IDurban ayisithandi, yazi Durban. The last time I went, well, it was the first time I went to Durban was in 2023. Sasiyele birthday trip yami. Yagalela imvula sana, but it was pretty warm. Khanye ngokuman yebona imvula iya restrictor. Into ngithanda ke ngeDurban kushushu. And I thought siya eJoburg. So bendingayihoyanga kakhulu into edibene ne weather. I checked eJoburg. Then I was like, oh okay, kuyabanda a bit, but akukho hectic. I just remembered now that so I can't ban this package. Babe, I think we need one thing, God. To be quite honest, sitting in bag A1. Yeah, but babe.
Yeah. But I don't think you are taking one.
Why? No, but in the outfit A1, Jay. We literally have one outfit each. Because these we are going to need when we come back. Then I'm not just gonna pack this. Because flights is yabanda. We have a morning flight. Morning, top of the morning. It's very, very early the following morning. I couldn't even sleep. Alarm. Yo guys, mna xa ndizothatha flight, I do not relax. Ndihlala nje alert. What's the time? The time is 3:15. We woke up just before 3, but we've been chilling in bed. So I'm gonna go take a shower because I'm gonna buy early. I'm gonna go slow lounge. I'm gonna relax and I'm gonna so yeah, okay, namhlanje guys. Stay tuned. Featuring Baby T, hi.
Hello.
Mr. Sahluko. Guys, this is slow lounge. Alone without my husband. I'm having the time of my life here now. My friend came. So, there's something we only booked in a flight near past 11. So, because he had an emergency, and then Ludo was like, okay, must have booked one more, so maybe it's about cheaper ebusuku khange ehlekisa namatikiti. Now sikhwele flight egcweleyo. Ludo wanted to take the first flight like at 6 a.m. instead of 7 a.m. So sabhukisha iflight egcweleyo asizohlala sobayi-2 sobayi-3 actually, and akho window seats, so ndiyiloo nto ngokusana. But ke akufani, siyabulela uba at least sifumene i-flight. Sesifikile.
Aw. Bese ngithi phakama ke bakubone.
Ngiyanibingelela nonke baseNatali emhlabeni kaShakazulu.
Oh yeah.
Ngiyakhuluma ke manje.
Oh yeah.
Angisazi mhlobo nje isiXhosa Nkosi yami.
Awe ma. Aw. Kwaze kwakhiqeka lokho.
Insizwa zakithi. Sawubona Shaka. This is our bus, guys. We took a bus to Gauteng. Provinces in one day. Are you proud of yourself?
Oh yes.
You took us from Western Cape
All the way.
to
this car.
Beautiful girl. Say congratulations. I see that you bought a new car. How do you feel, Hazel Mike?
I feel scrumptious. I feel dubious. I feel super macondonious.
Yay! Nia Papa?
Grace is the name. For it is by God's grace.
Yes.
5 for grace.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Subscribe to Jesus now so that you can get this grace.
Sicela usiphenje amazwi ambalwa.
I'm so hungry. I don't even have words. I'm shy.
Mr. Makhabeni, this is the new interview for the new car.
Hey guys. So happy now online. I mean, it is what it is. Yesterday we bought a car, but
You returned it like you are returning socks and you came to buy a new car.
I was like, nah, I have to.
So tell us, are you happy?
Oh yeah. Check out a new baby there, right? There. It's a nice color.
What's the name of the new baby?
This one is called Resurrection.
Yo.
Oh, it's Grace. Oh, sorry, Grace.
Still Grace.
Yeah.
Igama lakhe Grace. Why? Izoma papa wakho sicela ba why Grace igama lakhe?
So this is Grace because the Lord has blessed us with 5 cars. So Grace stands for 5. Oh no. The way around, English I didn't do home language.
Yay! Here we go. Alright.
Sana kunini sathenga imoto kodwa ndiyaqala ufumana lento kwi-BM ulude wafumana iwine asisele iwine, so we gave it to laa mntu sasihamba naye. Kwi-Seltos zange ndifumane nto, bavele bathi uba bafumana i-voucher then uyatshuza uba ugalela ipetrol okanye uthengela i-client i-gift, so yena wakhetha undigalela i-gift. I was like, boring. And then our recent car, le grey charcoal, sivele sanikwe izicexo sasiwa emakini apha kulena ke ngoku we got this one. Well, enye siyithenge kumntu esimaziyo, so sithenge emntwini. And uCalvary la Hyundai Accent imhlophe, the very first car yethu, nayo zange sifumane gift sana. I was so excited for this, but uludwe sana sesiyitshabalalisile. Uludwe ithathile la grape juice bilapha bingeyo wine or champagne, so uthe uzayisela. And then ezinye nuts, mixed nuts, then one share nezi andisazi because ndilambile sana khange nditye imini yonke. Otherwise, yeah guys, I'm so excited. Sana uludwe uya somewhere else, so unike le moto ndimo responsible ba ndiyenze sure ba imoto ifika safe endlini. And wasiba ke ngoku mna imoto entsha, like imoto endingayiqhelanga, ndike ndiqoma ndinervous kancane ngathi andikwazi uqhuba because andiyiqhelanga, yabo. So nalena bingathi hey ngofuna ndifunde uba okay an accelerator apha ndinyathela kangakanani, measureisha kangakanani, because ezinye accelerators weak kunezinye and stuff like that, ne-indicators enye ise-left kwezinye imoto, kwezinye ise-right, i-lights adjustment and stuff like that. So sana ndinguloo mntu nje une-nerves ngoku, but otherwise ndivuyela uba noko imoto yethu siyifumene, ndigoduka nayo, and ngoku ndizawuya ekhaya because funeka abatshana bam bandikhulula intloko man. Eish. Otherwise, yeah guys, papayini, let me actually close this vlog off here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. I hope you like it, guys. Please share with your people, and also please subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.